Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Morse code bracelet. If you picked up a supply kit from the library, you should find some elastic cord, a jump ring, a clasp, a Morse code encoding card, and seed beads in 4 colors like these. I have dark green, black, purple, and light green in my kit so you can see up close. I'm going to begin by writing the first word of my chosen phrase in Morse code using my encoding card. Then I'll tie my elastic cord to my clasp to hold on my beads. Here's my code, and there's my cord. So now I'm going to start beading. I'll begin with a spacer. The black beads are going to separate the letters in my code. Next, I'm going to use an emerald green bead to represent a dash. They're really tiny, so it's kind of hard to handle, but you should have a beading needle in your kit to make it easier. And then I'm using a bright green bead to represent a dot. And then I finish off my letter with another spacer before starting the next letter. And there's my letter. You can see the dark green is the dash and the light green is the dot. Continue beading with this pattern until you have your whole message on the elastic cord. I used the 4th color in my kit, the purple beads, to indicate spaces between words. Alright, so here's my finished code. I encoded the phrase NCPL is the best in beads. If you want, you could stop here and make a keychain. But to make the bracelet, I'm going to move the beads to the middle of the cord and untie the clasp. Then I'll use the purple beads, which I used for spaces between words, to make the bracelet long enough for my wrist. Finally, I tied the clasp and jump ring back onto either end of the cord. And it's done. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoy making a bracelet with a secret message. Thanks for watching.